Hello students and welcome to E-class of history. Now in the history we have completed lesson number 4. I hope so you are completing your exercise also. Take your time and complete it properly. Write the answers properly and send me the images. Whenever I get the time I will check it. But I am taking the records that who is sending the homework and who is not sending. Okay, that you have to send. Now let's see social and religious reforms. So what is mean by reforms or reformation? That something is changing or something is improving, that we can say as the reform. That the changes toward the improvement happens in the Indian society on the basis of socials and the religious reforms. So religious changes, that period is the social and religious reformation of India. Along with the spread of English education, there was spread of new thoughts, new ideas, new philosophy. Indians were also introduced to Western thoughts and culture. Due to it, there were changes in the social, religious, economic, and cultural aspects of Indian society. Some गुड थिंग्स भी ब्रिटिशर्स ने इंडिया को दी, वो था एक इंग्लिश एजुकेशन. उस इंग्लिश एजुकेशन की वजह से देयर वॉज द स्प्रेड ऑफ न्यू आइडियाज़ इन द इंडिया, spread of new thoughts and new philosophy. Also, Indians get introduced to the Western thoughts and the culture, जिसके वजह से उनको ये समझ में आया कि हम कहाँ पे कम पढ़ते हैं, हम क्यों इतने पीछे हैं. एंड दैट education also responsible for changes in the social, religious, economic and cultural aspects of Indian society. The modern educated Indians become aware that backwardness of Indian was due to superstitions, casteism and old customs, class system and lack of critical outlook. जो मॉडर्न एजुकेटेड इंडियंस थे, जो जिन्होंने पढ़ाई करके, सभी लैंग्वेजेस की पढ़ाई करके, सभी रिलीजियस जो नॉवेल्स होती है उनको पढ़ के उनको ये समझ में आया था कि इंडिया का बैकवर्डनेस जो है उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इंडियन पीपल का सुपरस्टिशंस, उनका कास्टिज़म, उनके ओल्ड कस्टम्स यानी कि उनके ओल्ड रिचुअल्स, क्लास सिस्टम एंड लैक ऑफ क्रिटिकल आउटलुक. किसी भी चीज़ को छोड़ के नई चीज़ों को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए इंडियन पीपल्स वॉज नॉट रेडी. सो it was necessary to eradicate the flaws and undesirable tendency for progress of the country. That modern educated Indians was aware about the Indian backwardness, and now what they are thinking, that if they have to do the progress of the country, first thing to eradicate or step out from the Indian people is to flaws and the undesirable tendency of the Indian people, and to create the new society based on the principle of humanity, equality and fraternity. These are the principles on which the modern educated Indians want to establish the Indian society. Which one? Humanity, equality and fraternity. Humanity means all human beings are the same, they should be treated same. Equality means there should be no higher class and lower class, all should be sit in the same place. And fraternity means the feeling of friendship between all groups of people. So these were the principle on which the new society should be based. The educated thinkers started the social awareness through the writings to solve the various problems in the society. The way which they have applied is the writing through the newspaper, through the novels. They started the social awareness. The intellectual awakening in the contemporary society is called the Indian Renaissance. इसके पहले हमने यूरोपियन रिनेसेंस का पीरियड देखा था. नाउ ये जो पीरियड था इंडिया में जहाँ पे अभी सोशल रिफॉर्मेशन, इकोनॉमिक एंड रिलीजियस रिफॉर्मेशन होना स्टार्ट हुआ था, दैट पर्टिकुलर पीरियड इज द इंडियन रिनेसेंस. नाउ लेट अस सी द era of religious and social reforms. First one is ब्राह्मो समाज. In the 1828, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established the Brahmo Samaj in the Bengal. He had studied many languages and religions. Through his through it, his ideology of Advaita philosophy was developed. So, who established the Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy in the 1828, and where? At the Bengal. He had studied the many languages and religions, and which philosophy or the which ideology was developed through the Brahmo Samaj of or the Raja Ram Mohan Roy? The Advaita. Monotheism, caste and the class equality, protest against the rituals and following the way of prayers were the principle of Brahmo Samaj. What was the principle of Brahmo Samaj? Monotheism, caste and class equality, protest against the rituals and following the way of prayers. Monotheism means किसी भी एक ही ईश्वर की प्रार्थना करना. कास्ट एंड क्लास इक्वालिटी मीन्स ट्रीटिंग ऑल एट द सेम पोजिशन. प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द रिचुअल्स एंड फॉलोइंग द वे ऑफ प्रेयर्स, यानी कि प्रार्थना करना, प्रेयर करना, लेकिन किसी भी अननेसेसरी रिचुअल्स को फॉलो नहीं करना. दिस वेर द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ब्राह्मो समाज. ही अपोज द सती प्रथा, सती प्रैक्टिस, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस एंड पर्दा सिस्टम. विच सिस्टम द ब्राह्मो समाज हैव अपोज? दैट फर्स्ट वन इज सती प्रैक्टिस, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस एंड पर्दा सिस्टम. सती प्रैक्टिस में जो सती जाने वाली सिस्टम थी, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस में जो छोटी छोटी लड़कियों की शादी की जाती थी, एंड पर्दा सिस्टम में बेसिकली मुस्लिम कास्ट में जो पर्दा रखने वाली सिस्टम थी, इन सभी सिस्टम को ब्राह्मो समाज ने अपोज किया. ही प्रमोटेड विडो रीमैरेजेस एंड फीमेल एजुकेशन. ब्राह्मो समाज promoted the widow remarriages and female education. He also founded the Hindu College at Kolkata. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Hindu College at Kolkata. He created public awareness through the newspaper Samvad Kaumudi, which newspaper is prescribed by the Brahmo Samaj or the Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Samvad Kaumudi. So which information we have studied about the Brahmo Samaj? It is founded in the year 1828. Founder is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Where? At the Bengal. Which works done by the Brahmo Samaj? They developed the ideology of Advaita. Then monotheism, caste and class equality, protest against the rituals and advocate the way of prayers. These are the principles of Brahmo Samaj. Then Brahmo Samaj opposed the child marriages, sati practice and parda system. They promoted widow remarriages and female education. Hindu College is also founded by the Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and he created the public awareness through his newspaper Samvad Kaumudi. Now let us see the Prarthana Samaj. Dadoba Pandurang Tarkharkar established Prarthana Samaj in the Mumbai in 1848. Who founded the Prarthana Samaj? Prarthana Sabha? Dadoba Pandurang Tarkharkar on 31st July 18. Dadoba Pandurang Tarkharkar established the Paramhansa Sabha, not the Prarthana Samaj. It was the Paramhansa Sabha in the 1848. Later Paramhansa Sabha was dissolved and some its members founded the Prarthana Samaj. Means basic पहले परमहंस सभा की फाउंडेशन हुआ बाय द दादोबा पांडुरंग तरखड़कर, एंड देन इसको डिसॉल्व करके कुछ मेंबर्स ने मिलके प्रार्थना समाज एस्टैब्लिश किया. दादोबा's brother Dr. Atmaram Pandurang was the first president of Prarthana Samaj. Who is the first president of Prarthana Samaj? Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. The prestige of the institution increased due to the enrollment of young graduates from Mumbai University. कुछ young मेंबर्स के वजह से, यंग मेंबर्स के एनरोलमेंट की वजह से जो प्रार्थना समाज की प्रेस्टीज थी वो डे बाय डे इंक्रीज होती गई. जस्टिस रांडे, डॉक्टर R.J. भंडारकर carried forward the work of प्रार्थना समाज. Opposition to idol worship, monotheism, opposition to rituals were the principle of Prarthana Samaj. What was the principle of Prarthana Samaj? Opposition to idol worship, monotheism, opposition to rituals were the principle of प्रार्थना समाज. आइडल मीन्स जो मूर्ति पूजा हम जिसको बोलते हैं, तो प्रार्थना समाज ने मूर्ति पूजा को अपोज किया. जो अननेसेसरी रिचुअल्स थे उनको भी अपोज किया. एंड ऑल्सो दे डेवलप द मोनोथिज्म. The stress on the devotion and the prayers for reforming the society, Prarthana Samaj started orphanage, women's education institutes, night school for the workers and society for the Dalits. अपने काम को इंक्रीज करने के लिए दे स्टार्टेड द ऑर्फनेज, अनाथाश्रम स्टार्ट किए, वुमेंस एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट किए जहाँ पे बेसिकली सिर्फ वुमेंस फीमेल से एजुकेशन ले सके. नाइट स्कूल का भी इस्टेब्लिशमेंट प्रार्थना समाज के थ्रू हुआ. और ऑल्सो द सोसाइटी ऑफ द दलित्स. महर्षि विठ्ठल रामजी शिंदे, अ मेंबर ऑफ प्रार्थना समाज, एस्टैब्लिश डिप्रेस्ड क्लास मिशन. Through the mission, an attempt was made to solve the social problems. So, which mission was started by under the Prarthana Samaj? Depressed Class Mission by Maharshi Vitthal Ramji Shinde. So, who is the founder of Paramhamsa Sabha? Dadoba Pandurang Tarkhadkar. It is established in Mumbai in the 1849. Then Prarthana Samaj is founded by the Atmaram Pandurang Tarkhadkar on the 1867. The work by the Prarthana Samaj are opposed to idol worship, rituals, educated monotheism and follow the way of prayers. They also started orphanage, women's education institutes and school for the workers and society for the Dalits. Then Maharshi Vitthal Ramji Shinde, Justice Rande, Dr. R.G. Bhandarkar carried forward the work of Prarthana Samaj by establishing depressed class mission. In the next video, we will see Satyashodhak Samaj and Arya Samaj. Thank you.